Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Today in this video, we will learn how we can install Java JDK on Windows platform and how we can make our window ready for writing a Java code. So first of all, open a browser, type here JDK and go for the first link. Here is the first link. Go for the JDK download, and here if you go, you have a 64-bit of installation setup for Java. So click this and download. I have already downloaded, so I have the download here in this folder. Here just you have to download and double click. It will start the installation process. So you see we can next, and it's showing the path program file Java JDK 16, then next, and it will install Java. It take little bit time. Now it asking for installing the other option also if you want to install, but I just close here. Now you go in a installation path. We have program file, we have Java folder, and we have the JDK. Go to bin, and here we have to copy the path. This path we have to copy from here. Then we have to type here env means environment variable. Click on this, and here go to the environmental variable and go to the path here, and in the path click on edit. You see I have already given the path for 15, so I delete this. So add new and paste the path. So this is for 16 version of Java. We have add the path. Why we are adding here this path? Because we are telling to the Windows operating system that we have installed the Java here in this path. So read all the command from this location for Java. Watch which command. If I open here cmd, for example, for running a Java program, this is my command prompt. If I type here Java C, you see Java is running and Java version is 16. So from where this particular command is running, it is running from the bin directory which we have given in the path. So Windows search this file in the path which we have provided. So now by setting a path, we are ready to compile any Java program. So we can make here any Java program. Just you can see example. We can create here by using a notepad. So we just create a new file here, and here we type, for example, class like this, and we say class is welcome here, and we start the class, we close the class, and here we start the public static void main function string args. So this is the main function declaration, and we are creating a class welcome here. W is a capital. In terms of creating a Java class, we just declare the first letter of class as a capital, and this is the declaration of the main method public static void main. Here we can use system dot out dot println. What system dot out dot println do? System is a class, out is the object of println function, println class, and println is the function. This out is the function. This out is the object of print stream class. Println is the function to display this welcome to Java on the monitor screen. So we just put the semicolon and we create the simple program, and we give the name of this file as a welcome.java. You see we have to type as a welcome because class name is welcome, and the main method is inside a welcome class. That's why we have to give the name of the file as a welcome.java, and we save on a desktop. Now if we want to run it, so I will open command prompt here, cmd. So I have to go to desktop here. So here is my file welcome.java. I say java c. So first of all, I clear all this and java c welcome.java, press enter. It will compile, and it will also, we can run also java and welcome. Just remove the class extension and give the name of the class. Press enter. You see welcome to java. So like this you can create any java program by using notepad++ or notepad, your editor. But this is the fundamental in the first program in java. Later program I will use eclipse as id, because eclipse is a very good id and we can make first development in java using eclipse id. So better to use IDE for Java program, but this was the fundamental, the first knowledge, how we can create a Java program without using any ID, and how we can install Java program on Windows machine. So like this way we can do all the things. We can download the JDK, we can install the JDK, and we can try to test the Java is running or not by using a testing program like this, which we have created, welcome.java program, and we have tested that Java is running in this machine successfully. So see you in more videos using Eclipse IDE. Till then, bye.